So we are going to do this working drawing together, this engineering drawing, and we've got 4 stages here, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what is the first thing we do when we do instrumental drawing? We align our page to the T-square, so make sure you put some tape in each corner, and it's aligned, the page is going straight across your T-square. Second thing we do when we do instrumental drawing is we put our name down the bottom in the title block with beautiful capital graphics letters. What is the third thing we do when we do instrumental drawing? We read the instructions. Are we going? Yes. We are going to begin with doing the crate, and we start the crate by extruding out these lines on the axis. Make sure your 30-degree set square is resting on the T-square, and we extrude those out. Make sure that you are using guidelines. You'll recall that guidelines are light as can be, so light you can barely see. You'll be using a sharp 2H pencil, unlike I, who was using a pen, so you can see my lines. So that is the axis. It's an isometric axis because we're doing an isometric drawing. Now we are going to measure 90 as per the reference. 90 across here, very accurately, not 89, not 91, but 90. And then placing the set square on the T-square, drawing these lines up. Okay, now we could measure up here 90 millimeters, but it's easy to go 30 millimeters across this square, just like that, and draw up from there. So that's 90, that's 90, that's 90. So we've got a book shape now. And then the top of the cube we have finished step 1. Step 2 is we need to do the outside details. And for that we are going to measure along one of these lines 30 and 60, dividing the 90 by 3. That way we get some guidelines going up and going up. Now we could measure again 30, 30, 30, dividing up the vertical plane. But the other way to do it is to go with a diagonal line here, and these cross the vertical lines precisely where we'd want them. So there we have this step pattern on the one side, and we'll do that for the other side. And the top. We have completed now step 2. Step 3. We are looking at the inside details. So here we've got some inside details starting to appear. We've got this step shape. And we should be able to work out where we've got that there. We have done step 3. Step 4. We just got to produce this pyramidal type stepped thing at the top. So up here, we start in the corner, going up on the 30 degrees, stop, then we're going to go up 30 degrees, 30 millimeters. And you'll notice that this one, that 30 millimeters, connects with that one. So that's 30 and that's 30. Again, we'll go up on the 30 degrees that way for 30 millimeters. And you will notice if you measure it, it stops there. 30 millimeters. Then we're going up again. 30 millimeters, we'll have to measure, 30 mils, coming across, and we reach the top apex. And we'll do that, coming down. And so that are all the guidelines. Now we're on to, we've done step 4 and we're adding a last step here to do the presentation lines. And for this I'm going to do a thick line around here. You'll be using your sharp 2H pencil and really digging along the edges. and we're done. Extra for experts will be adding the shadow, which we might do later.